Well, good morning. It's day 3. We are in Grand Cayman, and we're not sure what we're going to do yet. I'm not sure where you're going to get off the ship because you've seen Grand Cayman. I took you all over that one. But we might go there and go find the dancing policeman. He dances and while he directs traffic. So might bring you that, might not. I don't know. But we'll see. So here we are in Grand Cayman. We were just here in December twice. Make that 3 times we were here. So, alrighty. So anyway, we'll start our day and we'll bring it all to you. Have you ever sailed a Disney ship? I have not. That's the Disney dream. Alright, so welcome to the steakhouse on the Carnival Pride. I just saw a story on La Lita Loca with Tony that someone had complained and they sat here in the steakhouse, and after they ate their meal, they were offended by this statue. Well, there is a fig leaf blocking it, but if you look closely, you can see behind it. But here's the problem I have. There's no table that really faces it. As you see, he faces the elevators, but yet there is no tables that face right there, unless you were maybe sitting at that table right there, but they said it was at least 3 people, so that's not gonna happen. Looks like someone just wants a free meal. Grand Cayman, still a lot of construction. Mile Beach. That's not 7 miles. It's 6-point-some miles. We are on Lido deck. I ran into the Wanderer, just wandering around.
That's it. Having fun. I can't believe I keep running into this guy. But we'll see how many more times.
Oh, I'm sure a few.
Having a great time, man.
Take care. Ready for lunch here at Chopsticks, stir fried. You got your spring rolls, your Asian vegetable, your Korean fried chicken, your seafood and oyster sauce. Your noodles, your rice, and your white rice. Got me some chopsticks, some rice, noodles, oysters, and veggies. Still very quiet. Inside, everybody's still ashore. And there goes the Disney Dream. Already spun around, and they are out of here. And we just got the horn, and now we are starting to rotate a little bit early. So everybody must be back on. No more shuttles. We're ready to head out. Guess that was a pretty good hiding spot for a duck.
Your belongings on deck. You don't want to end up in the water. You want to keep them with you. As well, if you see any posted sign that the wind has picked up and we have secured an area, please respect the posted sign and find an alternative location for you to relax. Tonight, weather forecast call for partly sky and high speed of a wind for 20 knots from the southeast and 4 to 5 feet as well coming from the same direction. So very comfortable conditions. For tomorrow, the forecast is sunny day with a temperature of 26 degrees Celsius or 79 degrees Fahrenheit, and as I mentioned, easterly winds 20 to 25 knots. As always, thank you very much for your kind attention, and I hope the Carnival Pride team is providing you a memorable vacation, service, and of course with a big smile and always a lot of fun. Well, just because I'm on that mood, have fun, be safe, and I'll see you around.
Goodbye again, Grand Cayman. That right there was our cabin on our last time on here, right below us. So I'm not real impressed with the cleanliness of their windows. That wipes off. I'm not really sure why they haven't cleaned the glass back here. Pretty nasty. Din time. Getting some lamb tonight. And we got a free bottle of wine from the casino. I'm going to bring it home to Terry because I don't like wine. Sorry. Got her some cherry pie wine. We'll see. Max got the baked ziti. I got the ceviche and shrimp cocktail. Max got some butter and a little bit of potato. Got him a steak as usual. And lamb. I got the leg of lamb. Kind of not a leg, but I guess it came from the leg. Not sure. It looks good. I'll let you know. I've got us another bottle of wine I'll be taking home to Terry, who she'll probably give it to somebody else, courtesy of the casino. And I didn't even go in the casino yesterday. Max got cheesecake and ice cream without the strawberry topping. I got the cheesecake with the strawberry topping. I don't see any strawberries, but
to bring some love.